Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. And with temperatures in the 70s this week here in North Texas, a lot of people are asking me, what does this warm January weather mean for my lawn? The good news is we're all enjoying these beautiful days, but having done this work in North Dallas area for 45 years now, I've seen temperatures go from these lovely warm days to 20 degrees overnight. And that sudden drop is really hard on your lawns. What's happening with these warm days is your soil is actually drying out. A lot of people turn their sprinklers off for the winter time, and while that is good for the water bill, it can set your lawn up for problems if we have a hard freeze. So here's what you need to understand. What causes most freeze damage isn't the cold weather itself, it's dry soil when the cold weather hits. And the shock of a sudden temperature drop combined with dry soil pretty much guarantees we're going to lose sensitive plants. This has been the most common problem I've seen with St. Augustine and Zoysia lawns the past few years when they try to come out of dormancy in the spring. So, what should you do? Water a little over the winter time. You only need about 20% of what you were watering in the summer. And so with spray heads in full sun, that's about 10 minutes each week. And the most important thing, when you hear that temperatures are going to dip well below freezing, be sure to water a day or two before so your soil isn't dry. That will protect your plants and you should have a great looking lawn in the spring. This is Ken with Village Green. If you have questions about your lawn, please give us a call. And if you like these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.